Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can block someone on War Thunder's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To block someone on War Thunder, firstly go ahead and launch open your War Thunder application. The home page of War Thunder application will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on plus icon at the bottom of the page. On the next page, choose the person that you'd like to block. You can search for the player by tapping on player search option. Search for the player on the search box and tap on the player from the search results. Now all you need to do is click on blacklist option. This is how you can block someone on War Thunder's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.